In a universe where the cogs of technology spin faster than a librarian's wheelie chair during a book sorting frenzy, a question looms large and somewhat ominously. Is AI about to snatch our jobs, our essence, our very place in the queue at the coffee shop? Or have we all been hoodwinked by the tall tales of science fiction? With everyone chatting about artificial intelligence, it's easy to get tangled up in tall tales. Let's pop these myth bubbles together and discover the true friendly face of AI. AI will eradicate more jobs than it creates. This rumor persists that AI will sweep jobs away like a mischievous imp with a broom. But history whispers a different tale. Each wave of innovation has shifted work's landscape, not diminished it. Just as the move from field to factory once stirred the pot of employment, AI promises to stir yet again, transforming toil and trimming the fat of inefficiency. Fear not, for in the grand scheme, AI is less a job thief and more a creator of opportunities. Machine learning and AI is the same thing. Hold up, let's straighten out this twist. Think of AI as a massive umbrella, sheltering all sorts of brainy tech endeavors. Underneath, you'll find machine learning, a clever section where robots learn to fetch insights from data without ever being taught the game. Picture it picking up patterns instead of sticks, and doing so just by watching videos. Close cousins in the world of tech, sure, but machine learning and AI are as different as pickles and ice cream, great on their own, odd together in one bowl. AI will lead to destruction and enslavement. Movies like Terminator and The Matrix might have you expecting AI uprisings and thrilling doomsdays. Reality check. Creating rebellious AI is tougher than Hollywood makes it look. The tech wizards behind AI aren't exactly keen on engineering a robot revolution. Possible? Sure. As likely as getting a casual tea invite from aliens next Thursday. It's fun fodder for films, but real AI is wrapped in layers of safety nets, far from the movie madness. AI is a recent development. Think AI is the new kid on the tech block? Think again. It's been around since before your grandparents hit the dance floor at prom, starting in the 1940s with clever computers, and by 1956, brains at Dartmouth were plotting AI's future moves like beating humans at chess. It's been a slow journey, but now AI's turning sci-fi into everyday life. Curious about AI's journey from dream to reality? We have a video on our channel that dives deeper on AI's history. AI is creative and can do art. Think AI is the next Picasso or Da Vinci, not so fast. Sure, AI can crank out images, but it's more of a skilled mimic than a true artist. It doesn't feel the art, it just follows data patterns. While it can't dream or dazzle with emotion, AI excels in roles like chatbots and virtual assistants, often fooling us into thinking we're chatting with a human. So, although AI's creations might not touch the soul like a real masterpiece, it's pretty nifty at simpler, scripted tasks. Survive the AI myth maze? If we've lit up any bulbs, smash that like button and subscribe for more myth smashing. Curious about AI? Drop a comment. Your insights are priceless. Until our next adventure, keep sharp and keep unraveling the mysteries of AI with us.